The legend is coming. Introducing the K3 Pro, the world's first QMK Ultra-Slim wireless custom low-profile keyboard, bringing you an unprecedented experience. We made the low-profile keyboard more powerful and customizable. Whether for the office, gaming, or on the go, you get an unparalleled experience with the K3 Pro. We developed a QMK open-source firmware for the first time on a low-profile keyboard. It is the first time an ultra-slim low-profile keyboard can be programmed and can create macros or combination keys. We also created the first low-profile double-shot PBT keycaps for the K3 Pro. The characters will never be faded away and won't leave oil stains to give you a better typing feeling. Configured with 5.1 Bluetooth, it can give you a stable wireless connection. You can pair with up to 3 devices and switch them seamlessly. Connect the cable, and the K3 Pro's polling rate can reach 1000 Hz, giving you ultra-low latency for peak gaming performance. The K3 Pro supports Mac OS media and function keys, as well as Windows layouts. With its Hot-Swappable capabilities, you can easily change switches and customize your typing experience. Ergonomically designed 3-position angle adjustment, built-in 22 kinds of RGB lighting effects. With the K3 Pro's incredibly slim, solid design and powerful features, enjoy typing in any scenario. More customizable performance, more outstanding typing experience, an unprecedented ultra-slim custom keyboard, Keychron K3 Pro.